Let me show you how to divide a board into equal sizes easily. So if the board's width is an uneven quantity or an uneven size, it's not always easy to divide it exactly in half and so on. But what is easier is to take an equal number, like for instance 10, and divide that in half, which would be 5. Do it in 2 spaces along the board like so, and then simply draw the line which would divide it into equal parts. Same would be if you were to divide it into 3 parts. Now what's an easier number to divide into 3? Let's take for instance 9. It could be 12 as well. 3, 6, 9. Do it in 2 spaces as well, like so. Draw the lines, and the board would be divided into 3 equal sizes of the width. And so we can continue. What would be 4? It would be either an 8 or 12 centimeters. In this case, let's make it an 8. It's 2, 4, 6, and 8. Do it in 2 different spaces or in 2 different areas along the part that you want to divide, like so. 2, 4, 6, 8. Once again, draw the lines, like so. And the board would be divided into 4 equal parts. And so we can continue all the way, once again going for 10 centimeters, and as you can probably guess, we're going for 5 parts, so it'll be 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Do it in 2 different spaces, like so. 4, 6, 8, and 10. And once again you can see that the board would be divided into 5 equal spaces. And obviously you can continue with this for as many spaces as you need, or as many pieces as you need from a piece of board, and it'll be cut into equal parts without doing finer mathematical calculations. So if you want to see more videos and tips like that, be sure to like it and comment in the section below saying what you would like to see. Until next time, thank you very much.